In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games on Microsoft Store PC. To get started, open the Microsoft Store app from your Windows Start menu. If you don't see it right away, you can simply type Microsoft Store into the search area and launch it from there. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the window and type in the title of the game you want to buy. Press Enter to bring up the results. This helps you quickly find the exact game you're looking for, especially if there are multiple versions, add-ons, or similar titles in the store. When you see the game in the search results, click on it to open the product page. On this page, take a moment to look over the available editions. Many games offer different versions, such as Standard or Deluxe, and each one may include different bonus content. Choose the edition that best fits what you want before moving on. After that, click the Buy button. If the game is free, or if it's already included with your active subscription, you may see Get or Install instead. The button label can vary depending on the game, but the process is very similar either way. You'll then be asked to choose a payment method. If you already have one saved, select it. If not, click Add a Payment Method and link the option you want to use, such as a credit card, PayPal, or a gift card balance. Make sure the payment details are correct before continuing. Finally, review the order summary carefully and click Buy to confirm the purchase. This authorizes the transaction and starts the automated download. Once that's done, your game will begin installing, and you can monitor the progress directly in the Microsoft Store or your library.